Nigeria is home to a quarter of all African languages. Yet, many of these languages are dying quietly, faster than we think. Right here in the Nigerian Middle Belt, across Adamawa, Taraba, Benue, Nasarawa, Kogi, Kwara, FCT, Niger, Southern Kaduna, Southern Bauchi, Southern Gombe, Southern Borno, Southern Kebbi, and Southern Yobe. Hundreds of languages are spoken by real communities with rich histories. The Nenzit languages found across the region are part of the Great Niger-Congo family with over 1,500 languages that share common roots, grammar, and a common ancestor stretching thousands of years back. However, unlike Hausa, Igbo, or Yoruba, these languages found in the Nigerian Middle Belt lack written records, documentation, or protection. If we do nothing, they will disappear forever, and with them, centuries of culture, identity, and knowledge. And that is why the Tyap Wikimedia user group exists. We research, document, and promote the endangered languages of the Nigerian Middle Belt, and we need you. Whether in person or online, you can be part of this work. We offer trainings and events to show you exactly how to contribute. These languages deserve to survive. Join us and make that happen.